friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today's video is brought to you by the number 7 and the letter W for Wantable. Oh. Okay, this is my first Wantable box. If you've watched my last few videos, you know I am jonesing for a Stitch Fix box. So, in my frustration of not being able to get one, it was supposed to be here the 27th and it keeps getting rescheduled because, you know, stuff's going on in the world. Totally get it. But I'm jonesing. Anyway, so I ordered a Wantable box, my first one, and it's very similar to Stitch Fix where there's like a $20 styling fee. If you keep something from the box, it gets credited towards what you keep. But they send you 7 items instead of 5, so I'm pretty excited to dig right into it. They send you a mailer to mail back what you don't like, just like Stitch Fix as well. And they send you a little note and invoice of what you got. And you can't peek at what they send you. So it's really good for someone like me who likes to peek at everything. So, my stylist note. Hi Rachel, welcome to your first style edit. And they call them edits instead of like fixes or something. Thanks for the note. I've enjoyed getting to know you and I wanted to be as thoughtful as possible today, selecting pieces that reflect your unique style. We didn't have any joggers right now, but I was able to include some of your other requests. So they also have this thing called the stream on there. It's kind of like Stitch Fix where you do like the, you know, thumbs up, thumbs down, but you like request or decline items in your stream. Hoping to lift your spirits with pieces from our all new spring collection. I was also mindful that you, like us, may be working from home and might be turning to cozies like hoodies and sweaters, and comfy bottoms, of course. It would be great if you could leave me feedback to let me know what you love and don't love so we can be seamless on the next edit. Please take care of yourself, your family, and one another. Enjoy, Mercedes. And they even put like a little picture of the stylist. That's so cute. Alright, so we're just going to bust right into it. I haven't looked at anything. Let's see. Oh, ooh. Look at that. We got some jewelry, I would assume. Comes in some bubble wrap. Well, those are pretty. So it looks like they're earrings. You can't see them, they're in bubble wrap. Okay, sorry. Let's see. So it doesn't have a name on it, so I don't really want to look at my invoice yet because I don't want to look at prices just yet, so we'll just look at the earring themselves. They're very thin. Alright, let's see. Oh, they're kind of okay, I see you. Check that out. That's pretty. It's got kind of like that abalone shell on that square there, and then like a round. That's pretty. I'm going to clean these with alcohol before I put them in my ears, but I will try them on with everything else. Those are cute. So they got the mixed material, they got the silver for like the actual post part, and then the gold. Those are nice. Those are nice. Okay, we got the first thing out of the way. I guess I shouldn't throw that because if I don't keep them, I need to put them back in here. Alright. I'm going to set these up here. Don't let me forget. It's a nice bag. I wonder, do you get to keep the... well, if you keep the earrings, I would assume you get to keep the bag that it comes in. Alright, next thing. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, so this looks like a hoodie. Yes? Do they have pockets? No, okay, so it's just like a plain black hoodie. It is very, very heavy. Very heavy. Let's see. This is by Dreamers. So this, no, these don't have tags on them that say like the names of them like Stitch Fix does. So just a plain black sweatshirt. Okay. Next we have a shirt. Just a plain shirt. This is by Lucky Brand. It's a t-shirt. It's floral. light and soft, it says. So that's nice. It's kind of like a muted color. Can't tell if it's black or navy, but some pinks and some gray blues. And next, okay. Is this a tank top? It's not like tank top season yet. Oh, this one actually has the price on it. It's $38 and it's inside out. So let me turn it the right way out. So it's black and white stripes. Okay. And the front has that twist knot in the front. So that could be cute. It's not really like tank top weather yet, but I guess, you know, to build up your staples or something for summer coming up. And next, this looks like a dress because it's really long. Woo, okay, so next is this like kind of olivey green dolman dress, which I'm wearing a dolman right now. That's cute. I could wear that to work. If you watch my other videos, you know I say that all the time. So nice cute dolman dress there. I'm excited to try that on. Does it have the price on it? Okay, it does. I'm not going to say it yet. We'll wait till the end to go over prices. This one I did request on the stream. So I'm excited to try that. Look how bright and vibrant that is for spring. Here's the back. The back is like that nice pretty floral. Look how vibrant that is. And then it has kind of the surplice wrap top there with the stripes. 3/4 sleeve. I'm excited to try that. And last, we have some jeans, which I'm not wearing jeans right now. I don't know about you guys. I am living in sweatpants. But these are the Curve Appeal liquid denim. Look at that stretch. I do like a nice stretch. Okay. Yeah. All right. Those are the 7 things. And let's get to trying them on. Here we have the first shirt. You guys, I think I like it. Does it look a little clownish? Maybe. With the different patterns and, you know, the bright colors. Maybe. But I think I like it. What do you guys think? I don't know. I've been liking this orange though. I like the orange, navy, turquoise. I have the jeans on. These are some high-waisted jeans, you guys. Very high-waisted. They're comfy. They're very stretchy. They're the Curve Appeal. Let me angle the camera down a bit. They go right to like the tops of my feet. The thing I don't like about them is I went to tuck this tag in to get out of the way, and the pockets in the front are not real. The back pockets are, but the front aren't. And I really like having front pockets. This shirt's super cute. It has a fun tie on the side too, which you can make it a little tighter there. This shirt is definitely a maybe. I like how this isn't super open, so I could wear it to work. What do you guys think? Has a nice rouging detail right there. I think I like it. It's definitely bright. I definitely don't have anything like it. Alright. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? I feel very 60s in this tank top. I don't know why. I was just watching the movie Funny Face. Shout out to my friend Lisa. Let me get the camera up, because she likes that movie. And I think, if I'm not wrong, that was one of the movies she and her husband saw on a first date. Funny Face. Audrey Hepburn, Fred Astaire. Anyway, I do like this. I like the straps are a little bit thicker, so it hides the bra straps a little bit better. Goes down nice and low. I think this is too big on me. This is an extra large. I would definitely, I think, size down to a large in this, because it's very flowy. So I think this would be really good for summer. I don't know if I need it right now, though. It could get hot. I don't know. It did snow and hail this week. It's April. But this is a maybe as well. We'll see how much it is and if I can exchange it for a large or not. I feel like a chair. Do I look like a chair that you would sit on? I don't know. So this is definitely just like a standard t-shirt. It's not super soft. It's not, you know, anything special. And the pattern I think is too muted. It's definitely, like I said, does it remind you of like a couch from the 70s? Just put some plastic over me and sit on me. Please don't sit on me. So this is a no. This sleeve length is good, I will say that. I like the neckline, more like a crew neckline there. I mess with my necklaces in the mirror. There's a mirror there. Yeah, it just really does nothing for me. I am the woman in black. Black from head to toe. Anywho, sweatshirt, standard sweatshirt. You know what? I don't own any sweatshirts like this. I wish it had like pockets or something here. Yeah, it's just a standard sweatshirt. I can't imagine paying a lot for just a standard sweatshirt, which I'm sure it probably is. It's really soft though inside. It's heavy. It's good material, so if you're looking for just a standard sweatshirt, go for it. I just don't think I'd get a lot of wear out of it. Can you even see where the sweatshirt ends and my jeans start? So yeah, that's all. Oh no, there's a dress still. Hang on. I like the color. I do not like the fit. Usually I love a dolman, so I was curious about this one because I did see this one in the stream for a dolman dress, but I think it's just way too much fabric. Maybe if this were like, no, not even then. Not even then. So yeah, this is a no. It just does not drape well. Let me angle down a bit. Does not drape well. It does go like right to my knee, which is nice. I like that length. But it just does nothing. Does nothing. It's like a bag that someone put some elastic in. So yeah. It's gonna be a no from me, dog. So, alright, let's go over prices and then I'll show you the earrings too. Alrighty friends, so here we have the earrings. Let me scooch up. They're super duper light, so that's awesome because you don't want like heavy earrings in your ears. I can't even feel that they're there. So I like those. I think they're pretty. I don't have any dangly earrings like that. So we'll wear them while we go over prices. Let's see. Alright. These earrings. They are Avantika earrings. W by Wantable. So I think that just means it's like a Wantable specific brand as far as I know. And those are $38. So after my styling fee, if I kept these, it'd be like another $18. It's a possibility. Next we have the liquid denim ankle biter in black, 16W Curve Appeal. Now the Curve Appeal brand I've seen at Marshall's and like TJ Maxx, and I think the black jeans that I have right now are by Curve Appeal. Those are $68. So I will not be getting those because I don't have real pockets in the front. And I think I can get them cheaper elsewhere. Next we have the long sleeve hoodie in black XL Dreamers, which I requested, I guess. So I think I'm just more used to like the Stitch Fix way of things, where like if you like something, you just like hit that like or request button. But maybe I just shouldn't do that unless I really want them. So she sent me that, and that was $54. Nah, it's just a regular hoodie. Floral crew tee in black multi XL by Lucky, the one that looked like a couch. That was $39.50. And the front knot striped cami in black white in XL by 22nd is $38. I did really like that one, but I would need a size down. And I don't know if they offer that or not, so I'll have to look at their website. Did I say that was $38? That was $38. So the pricing's, you know, she did a pretty good job. The Dolman sleeve dress in light olive, XL, W by Wantable. Not getting those. Oh! My earrings make a lot of noise when I do that. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. Because it's right by my ear. And that was $54, that dress. And the wrap front floral border top in red XL, which I would say that's orange, $54. That's by Love Apella. So right now for me, it's between Because I want to keep one thing because I don't want to waste my $20. I haven't had a styling fee with Stitch Fix in like over a year, so I'm not used to this whole like, oh my gosh, I should keep something. It's between that tank top and I think the orange top, so I have a few days to check out. Probably a little longer because everything's all wonky right now. So you guys let me know what you liked. Be nice. This is my first Wantable box. Will I get it again? I don't know. As I fluff my hair. I'm so used to my Stitch Fix, you guys, and my Stitch Fix nails it out of the park every time. Basically. So, anywho. So the merchandise total, $345.50. If you keep I think if you keep 5 or more things, you get a 25% discount, and that's $69.10. Sales tax $16.58, minus the styling fee of $21.20, which they taxed your styling fee. I think that's weird. So for the whole box of 7 items, it'd be $271.78. Okay, so it says right here, if you keep 5 things, you get 20% off. So I'm not super impressed for my first box, but you know, maybe it is like if I got another box, they would get better as I go. Kind of like Stitch Fix, kind of like Stitch Fix was at first. So yeah, I got some thinking to do on what I want to keep. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I do these kind of unboxings, you know, usually every couple weeks. But yeah, I hope you guys are all staying safe and happy and not going crazy with your spouses and kids at home all the time. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.